I've had some advice for how to get into cold water better, and one thing is I must sort of go in kind of sideways and turn around and go in, and I mustn't pull a face. Oh, that's a bit of a difficult one, and then lower myself in like that. That does seem to help a bit actually. And then they said I should stay in for at least 2 minutes. See if I can do that. Go under this tree for a bit and see what it's like under this tree. In the background there, you can see a weir, and that's where this river sort of goes down into the tidal estuary. This is just the very bottom bit of the River Dart in South Devon. Just float here for a bit and try and go over here perhaps. And then I think that might be enough of that now. So head for the coast again. And here it's really deep, so it's kind of nowhere to put your feet. So got to pull myself out here, and that should do.